In this video, I quickly compare the post-weld and preheat modes for the controller. As described in a previous video, you can change the modes by selecting the Settings button for the channel. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the options available depending on the mode selected. In the post-weld mode settings, you can see that a full heat cycle recipe is listed, with as many steps as needed. Creating a recipe for a channel is covered in a previous video and a link is posted in the comments. Preheat mode is the mode you want to use to simply heat the workpiece to a specific temperature and hold it there until you decide to stop the channel. You can set 3 values in this mode. The final holding temperature is here. The rate at which to heat the material to the final temperature is here. The percentage curve setting is to slow the change from the ramp step to the soak step to reduce overshoot. When you run a post-weld cycle, you will set up a recipe to generate a chart with multiple temperatures and durations, similar to the chart shown here. Preheat mode will produce a chart similar to this, where you increase the temperature to a set value and hold it there as long as you want. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to HeatView.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.